NABCO for teachers.
That open. Ninyamno and this for I say Ghana for Jumanya. And I'm say Ghana for Jumana.
Time no. Tiesa me kaba. Sugar factory. Yeah, sugar Commander Sugar Factory. Commander Sugar Factory. Efani po bako pe. What you have mentioned? Efani po bako. Commander Sugar Factory. Efani po bako kra.
Dabi.
So what I say? Now, and this form for Ghana for Jimmy to the stand, sir. What to sugar free baby? And I did baby book a factory was say you produce it. Who tell them can buy? Unfortunately for them, it's a Ghana for your who answer. And yet it tell me some your who answer. And sugar no. And I said, who company be production stages will be our business be winning. Yes, say you say, and you produce, you know, a hand who produce group babia, Ubenya raw material way, Ubenya way. And to babia na Ghana sugar factory in Quadrum, and Babia bay white. And you then in your white sugar. You could not first of all, now, won't you say? Obi about say ombaji sugar ni free omo ena yentia omka onti say fana minister dia sadna about so and NDC for engrophobia unu omo namwa ada onzatete no sabi me ya kwara na me nto aba those days oba ni abro manches ni abro t-shirt ni abro woni na manfo sa no mo je bent one year no mo che but we have grown from that. Okay, so see, Akufo-Addo here na just obeban, and MPP for your magic obeban. They came in with the policies. Yepa say free education. One. Omonka, and this is onka policy back. Yeah, kase me no kase.
And nothing na many abro penny. Muani and Krabia your chest come every Akufo-Addo face Ghana. And this is one kind of mother face Ghana Akufo-Addo best and chami.
And the and I meant to ask you,
I think I'm a mini picture. I mean, you picture, I think it's a bini. I'm crabbing, son of you.
Son of my yes,
and chinning near the member of Danku Crop, Mamma, Ghana for. It's Ghana Nicotoba, and it's Birmingham away. It's a coup for the policies now, dear Bana. And they will cost with the the whole Ghana was
dear, I say, slave queen for being no money, Captain Smart. So what I say, oh, Captain Smart, oh, what you are, what you are. Shamanu ye, Captain Smart. Young Yabusian phobia, Captain Smart. So who was a baby, can Japan? Eddie, I be better Facebook saying, Mammy be Captain Smart, Quadia near my own ho, or man a year, or man a checker, not bounce. So who saw Diana, and I may catch you, my bush and me, a ho. Oh, to one, and I wouldn't was some, and I'm a code. No, who could buy it? Sabi. What one more? Who could be chroma? Is one would obedience when he appointed? Way done. What will be that? So what I say, and to one, Jimmy said, Jimmy, they are working under their pay masters, and it's not going to work. Sir, 8 years general, MPP are going to break. The reason being is fine. Me can say, Omo yasura bofu. So that is MPP for yasura bofu. They are trying their best because the system, baby, and they are doing better than them as to come because they are bringing out policies. I country. So what I say, yes, was for us, my and I want when and again did it. Look at a Kwaba Kupa, Mahama Kwaya, or say Dubai. Look at Tamale Quine. Look at Nancy Akupokuasi, one.
Pokuasi, yo. And a contract sign on Messiah.
Meaning, no, Green book. green book, maybe we read green book no almost my reading, but we read more than 70%. Now, at a certain point, you know, it's me say me constituency. Think my you I mean oh, you understand? It's then go away and look na say my sit down, my equine and your policy. And your policy. My equine and money.
On Sanado, on for crime in your campaign, while your policies are entire Ghanaians, all citizens.
Policies na boa citizens. What I say? Ubeko school free. Na we here near. I'm telling you, sir, maybe go school be because of my background. Now almost mattresses in Nipadasu. I'm telling you. Where you say Kura and say propaganda and I say be
oh, there be some Konyacha mattress.
Students are Uba mattress in your say remember time you go secondary school, no say will be the mattress, but which say this is daso, no of daso, nana daso, that form a mattress and not chair. I could find more chair mattress. Omu chair your man getting and Kwaleni, Uba ya promise school tadiamo. Yama untade a obeshe and the baby no here. Unlike a Janam time, Maham of time, chocolate, the throw blackboard. So and the development countries, no, or my jai chocolate you electronic board. Chocolate and it was for must say mamma be me mamma chalk, me say.
Nina Mokacha Ghana for just a chop, teacher for a bachelor gradient.
Masa, we can say, Uba brochre near the dia. Omu use electronic board. Electronic. Omu choke a teacher for to be sunlight, see a budget chop. Can you imagine? Such a person, I'm somebody in Baha. I make a joke, John Mahama, or you disappointed to Ghana.
Get enjoy with your Kurumuha. A be bagana. Was it Abby? Mr. Mahama, maybe 4 years into the Ampe, oh dear, until maybe 4 years, we are more than one fast animal, Papa. Well, back, I control BC. I buy absorbing the fees, exam fees, what through BC and now, Menoka say, when Uncle Puma and Wagana for now, Omuntumen pass it. Well, we have a free education. Was a side binding because they say NDC. NDC for catchers the free education, no better. Have you forgotten? I said, look at here. What he said about free education. First thing he said was review. When he was pressed on the review, he said, I said, Kwame, I did about Kadia. Then you came one, you know, a blue how you will see. 2018, and this is a fact. 2018, His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Obejina Hosim Pieso direct, can play.